Have you ever wondered why you understand English? But when it's time to speak, your mind freezes. You know the words, you've studied the grammar, but your brain starts translating, word by word, from your native language, and by the time you finish your thought, the moment is gone. You smile nervously and say nothing. But what if I told you this problem is not your fault? You were trained to learn English as a subject, not as a language. And today, I'm going to break that chain. Because from this moment on, you will stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Part 1. The truth they never told you. You see, language is not words. It's emotion, it's rhythm. It's how your brain connects sound to meaning instantly, naturally, automatically. When a baby learns its first language, it doesn't memorize grammar rules or word lists. It absorbs patterns, tone, and rhythm. It listens, imitates, and feels. But when you were taught English, you were told to memorize, to translate, to analyze. That system killed your fluency before it could grow. That's why when you hear English, your brain runs back to your native tongue for help. But here's the secret. Your brain can be rewired. Yes, you can literally train your brain to think in English. And once you do, you'll never forget it. Part 2. The English Brain Activation. Right now, your brain is running to systems. 1. Your native language brain, automatic, emotional, fast. 2. Your English brain, logical, slow, translating every word. To achieve fluency, you must shut down the translator and awaken your English brain. How? By practicing a method called shadow thinking. It's not about repeating words. It's about copying thoughts. For example, when you see a cup, the voice you selected does not support this language. Please click the upper right corner to switch to another voice. Just think, cup. That's it. No translation. Just image gives sound, gives meaning. When you start doing this, something magical happens. Your brain begins to connect English words directly with experiences, not with translations. That's when English becomes part of you. Part 3. Daily Mental Shadowing. Here's a simple 5-minute exercise that will reprogram your mind. If you do it every day, within weeks, you'll begin thinking automatically in English. Step 1. Narrate your life in English. When you wake up, say in your mind, I'm getting up. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. No translation. Just direct connection. Step 2. Describe what you see. While walking outside, think. The sky looks calm. The wind feels fresh. The street is quiet today. You don't need fancy grammar. You just need flow. Step 3. Shadow native speakers. Listen to short clips, maybe a movie, podcast, or YouTube video. Play a line, pause, and say it exactly how they said it. Same tone, same rhythm, same emotion. You're not memorizing, you're syncing your brain. This is called neural shadowing. You're literally training your brain to move like a native speaker's. Part 4. Breaking the translation habit. Now, let's talk about your biggest enemy, overthinking. Every time you hesitate to speak, you're not short of knowledge. you're short of trust. You don't trust your English brain yet. But guess what? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be natural. The truth is, native speakers make mistakes too. But they don't care. They flow. They keep talking. And that flow creates fluency. So the next time you forget a word, don't panic. Replace it. Describe it. Say it's something like, or the thing you use to. This is what real communication looks like. Fluency isn't knowing all the words. Fluency is never stopping the conversation. Part 5. Build your English mind. Let me tell you something powerful. Language isn't only about speaking. It's about thinking. Your native thoughts come with emotion. When you're angry, your language changes. When you're sad, your tone softens. When you're excited, your rhythm jumps. So to think in English, you must connect emotion to English words. Say I'm tired, not like a sentence, but like a feeling. Say it as if your body feels it. I'm tired. Say I love it, like your heart means it. Say I can do this, like your soul is shouting. That's how you create emotional memory in English. The same way you learned your first language. Part 6. The 3 mind shifts for true fluency. Let's make this practical. There are 3 mindset shifts you must master. Shift 1. Stop learning. Start experiencing. English isn't a subject. It's an experience. Watch English movies. Listen to real conversations. And don't worry if you understand only 60%. Your brain learns from exposure, not perfection. Shift to focus on rhythm, not grammar. Grammar helps you write, but rhythm helps you speak. Listen to the music of English. How words rise and fall. How pauses give meaning. Copy that rhythm, and you'll sound more fluent instantly. Shift 3. Trust your mouth more than your mind. Speak before you're ready. Your mouth will train your brain, not the other way around. Even if it's slow or broken, keep speaking. Fluency is built through sound, not silence. Part 7. Real-life transformation. I've seen learners who spoke 0 English. Afraid, silent, nervous. And within 90 days of using these methods, they started thinking naturally in English. One student told me, I was dreaming in English for the first time in my life. That's when you know your brain has switched. That's when English stops being foreign and becomes you. So don't aim for perfect English. Aim for connected English. Because real English lives in your daily moments. Your emotions, your mistakes, your growth. Part 8. Your 7-day English Brain Challenge. Here's a 7-day system you can start today. Day 1. Speak to yourself for 5 minutes in English. No translation. Day 2. Watch a 5-minute English video and shadow every line. Day 3. Describe your day in English in your head. Day 4. Record yourself speaking. Day 5. Listen to your voice and correct only tone, not grammar. Day 6. Watch an English vlog and copy their expressions. Day 7. Talk to a friend or AI in full English, no native language. Repeat this weekly and watch how your mind transforms. Part 9. The Inner Voice of English. When you stop translating, you'll hear something new. A quiet voice inside your head that speaks in English. At first, it's small. Then it grows. It becomes confident. And one day, without realizing it, you start thinking, feeling, and even dreaming in English. That's not fluency. That's transformation. Because fluency isn't a skill, it's an identity. It's who you become. So from today, every time your mind tries to translate, smile and say, I don't need to translate. I think in English. Say it again. I don't translate, I think in English. Repeat it until it feels true, because soon it will be. Ending message. Remember this. Your goal is not perfect grammar. Your goal is freedom, the freedom to express your soul in English. Every mistake is a step closer to fluency. Every hesitation is part of growth. Every effort rewires your brain. So keep going. Keep speaking. Keep thinking. You're not just learning English. You're becoming fluent in your future.